Hello Visionary Beauties, welcome to the channel, and for those who are new to the channel, welcome. If you came to check out this gorgeous hair, then please continue to watch. So today is going to be a wig review collaboration with another Amazon store by the name of Sunber. So they sent me out this hair. This is a Brazilian deep natural curl. This is the packaging it comes in, and you get a black wig cap, which I'm not going to use, eyelashes, which I'll be putting these on my mannequin. Then you get your care instructions and reward points, I guess, for purchasing a certain amount of hair on the back. And then the wrappers that you get with the hair. I received Sunber Glueless Deep Wave 10A, and I do agree with that. Lace front wigs, 18-inch, unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair, human hair, pre-plucked baby hair. So that is this wig. I did bleach the knots on this unit, and as far as it being pre-plucked, I mean, to them it's pre-plucked, but I still feel like it needed a little more love. I didn't pluck it yet because I wanted to come to you and show you the wig out the box, to show you what it looks like, and then I have some other issues. This hair is extremely soft. This is it after it being washed. I also want to say, for those of you who don't like a lot of hair or don't like the hair to be way down, this is a really light unit, but it looks extremely full. Like, it really looks full. It does come with your wig combs. So you got two up here, one at the back, and your standard adjustable straps. Let's get into the hair, shall we? So I'm gonna go ahead and give you that close up, and then I'm gonna give you my cons. You get a really good amount of parting space with this unit before you reach the tracks. So it is your standard 13 by 4 inch parting space, and it could be parted anywhere. Now, I do love the lace. Look at, oh my God, on this unit. This is after me bleaching it, of course, but the lace is really, really good. It almost damn near disappeared in my scalp. With that being said, I really didn't utilize the baby hairs this time around, and I'll show you why. When I told you earlier about the 13 by 4 frontal lace wig, now the lace on the cap came over my ears. So yes, the front is down, has a really nice hairline. It still, like I said, can go in and between some more, which I just wanted to show you guys right off the back how it looked. Right here is when we run into that little slight issue. The lace comes all the way right here. So I could possibly pull it back, but no. This would have to be customized. Or you can leave a little access lace when it comes to the air tap on, but it goes all the way back on both sides. My ear is even tucked under. I just untucked my ear. So it comes all the way back. So it has a little access lace, which can be customized. You will normally customize your frontals when you buy them anyways. That's the only thing. Like I said, the hair is super soft. It's beautiful, lightweight. I love it when I first got it, but I love it even more once I washed it after bleaching the knots. And it bleached really well, as you can see. They're giving you that scalpage. So let me go ahead and give you that 360. So I didn't do anything other than wash the hair after bleaching the knots. So this is what it looks like. I let it air dry. I didn't put any kind of heat on it. So that's my pros and my cons for this unit. Like I said, I do like it. It's really lightweight. It's perfect for that office sleigh or that holiday party or just every day because it's not heavy, but it looks extremely full. My only con is that the lace comes a little further back, so it will have to be customized. Also, you know, you will have to bleach the knots because a lot of times the knots are not bleached. So I don't care what unit you're getting, unless you're spending buku money, and like you're spending Beyonce, Rihanna type money. I always say make it with your own. I want to say a huge thank you to Sunber for this collaboration. I'll leave all information to their online Amazon store down below and a link to purchase this here as well. If there's any coupon codes, I'll also leave that down in the description box, so don't forget to check out all that information down there, and I'll see you down in the comment section with your comments. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to stay up to date and see more of me, you can head over to my social media platforms: Instagram, Annette Beauty, Facebook, it's Visionaries of Beauty is my group, and I hope to see you guys posting, chatting, whatever you gotta do, girl talk, powwow, boy talk, whatever we gotta do. Let's get it done. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.